Hello, this is Kelly Jones, and this is my presentation for Autoethnography for Methods of Education Research for Fall 2023. This presentation contains the following parts: definition of autoethnography, origin of autoethnography, explanation of how autoethnography works, the types of autoethnography, an example of autoethnography, and the references. So what exactly is autoethnography? Autoethnography is a qualitative research method by which researchers observe participants' behavior in the context to their own personal experiences within a specific social group as a means to explain and interpret cultural beliefs and practices of said group. So what are the origins of autoethnography? Carl Heder first used the term autoethnography in 1975 while studying children in West New Guinea. Heder included the name of the community being studied to the word in order to identify the specific group or culture of people. Thus, it was called Dani autoethnography. Because the participants gave personal account of the happenings and culture of their group, whereby auto meant autochthonous and automatic concurrently. So how does autoethnography work? Autoethnography is the process of combining autobiographical information and experiences with ethnographic information about a particular group's cultural experiences in a way that gives a voice to what might otherwise be a minimized or silenced group. So how do you do that? First, you will devise your research questions. What cultural issue are you investigating? Next, you will collect data using field notes, including self-observations such as journals and other personal artifacts like maybe photos. Additionally, family rituals and stories are important data to be included in the process, as are stories from other members of the identified group. Next, you will analyze the data using methods such as emotion coding, descriptive coding, in vivo coding, or initial or open coding. Finally, you will write the autoethnography report. So there are many different types of autoethnography. For example, analytic attempts to explain social phenomena through the use of theory. Evocative uses narratives and storytelling to solicit emotional responses from its audience. Descriptive realistic is story accuracy is achieved through detailed accounts to create strong imagery for the reader. And confessional emotive uses deep self-disclosure by the researcher, which is intended to create a connection with the reader. Here's my example of autoethnography. My research questions are: 1. What impact did working at a fast food restaurant as a high school student have on my future career goals as an adult? And 2. How did the culture of long hours, low pay, lack of respect from customers and management influence the type of jobs I held later in life? For data collection, I would use photos like the one above, yes, that's really me, and personal artifacts, related stories of time from my family and friends, as well as self-reflective data from old journals. I would also obtain first-hand accounts from peers who also worked similar jobs during high school to get an idea of the culture from different experiences of individuals who worked at different companies. Continuing with data collection, I would speak with peers about how they felt about working these types of jobs. If they were doing it in order to support their families, just to earn extra money, or to gain work experience. Next, we will analyze the data. The data will be analyzed using emotion coding. This type of coding relies on labeling the feelings of the researcher and or participants. Finally, we will write the autoethnography report. And when presenting the report in an autoethnography, the researcher is basically reconstructing the story that prompted the research, providing standard research details such as the research method and literature review lends to added rigor and duplicability, while also creating opportunities to fill in identified gaps in the literature. These are the references I used in completing this project. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to your feedback.